fucking idiot. Fucking idiot! What a shit driver, oh my god. Did he fucking break anything? Yeah, he fucking damaged the license plate as well. The herbs. You could say the herbs, I don't know. Why are we doing 20 in a 30 zone, man? Again. I wonder if these people just think they're the only one on the road. Didn't even notice. You didn't even notice me. To be fair, he does look like a complete noob. You're a bit shit, aren't you? Fucking hell. Saw me put the fucking camera on and then he stopped following me. He's all the way back there now. Bruh. Why are you right next to me? What the fuck? Really fucking bad choice, man. My lord, man. I almost witnessed the death of a cyclist. Ah, man. Maybe there should be a CBT for cyclists. Fucking hell. That was disgraceful. Fucking twat. BG64KWO. Have you on my fucking camera, you twat. Smile for the camera, dickhead. Fucking asshole. Yeah, I'm sorry, your way too fucking slow for me, man. Yeah, I shouldn't be able to walk away from him at 30, like what the fuck? This guy's taking the piss. Fuck, man. Yeah, I'm staying well the fuck back from him, man. It's not like I got much of a choice, is it? Take it easy. Take it the fuck easy, man. This is mental. It's legit like it just flooded. This is bone dry like 10 minutes ago. Now I'm starting to freeze. Okay. It's the magic of water. Despite the fact that obviously it's a fucking hot day, I'm now gonna freeze. Yo, look at this puddle. Oh, like I'm going through a river. Oh my god. Ah! Jeez, I saw that flash. Fucking hell. Yo, what the fuck is this? Oh my god. This is legit a flood. Yeah, that's so crazy. Nice bike. You know, take your time. It's not like some of us don't have a roof. Are you seriously gonna choose this weather to do that kind of maneuver? You fucking dumb. Oh, fuck you. I can't be arsed. I'm not waiting. Whoa! Whoa, we a jet ski now, boys. Dude, what the fuck was that? You almost took both of us out, dumbass. What in the fuck? You almost take me out and then you take yourself out. Fucking hell. Those jokes. That whole thing's flooded. Oh look, another 4x4. Oh, that's crazy. I feel sorry for those people's cars. They're gonna be so filthy on the dries. It's funny, I'm actually at the point where I have to make my petrol run out. Otherwise, if I leave it in there any longer, it's gonna have problems again. Fucking hell. You murdered that pigeon. What in the fuck is this guy doing, man? Yeah, my guy, I'm gonna need to go in front of you. This guy's right on my ass. I have no choice, man.